No, no, that's Mama's. Better put it back. But Mama doesn't want you to have it in here, maybe.
In the bed.
Okay, if you put it in the bed. Are you a monkey? Here, I'll help you put it up.
Put it up.
All right. Are you going back to bed?
No, I'm not.
Well, why are we putting this blanket in the bed?
Blanket in the bed. I'm gonna get a sushi string on my bed. That's my pillow.
So you're playing house.
It's dark up here. It says it's dark in here. It's dark in here.
It's dark. Oh my. That means it's nighttime.
Night time. You gonna get that? Yeah. Oh.
Are you sleeping, Christopher? Are you a... Oh, there's a monster over there. Careful.
It's not my
Oh, I'm scared. What is that monster? What is a monster? Oh no. I'll have to tickle the monster, I think. That will stop him if I tickle him. I think so. Maybe I'll get a belly. Or I could get a neck. Maybe. Oh, he's growling. He really wants me to tickle him. I could do under his arms. Or his feet. Maybe I'll tickle his feet. Up. What do you got there, Eddie?
I got a monkey.
A monkey. One monkey. Here comes a monster. You have to tickle the monster. It's Spider-Man. Tickle. Tickle the monster. Christopher, why don't we get dressed? Want to get dressed? Oh, you have your sunglasses on, Eddie. I thought it was nighttime.
No, I gotta poke it down.
Eddie, why do you have your sunglasses on at night?
No. I mean a wrestle. At my game. And I need a break.
You need a break. I need a break too. Wow. That's Chuck. God bless you, Christopher. Oh.
Oh, good.
Don't hit him with that.